Hey everyone, it's B, the e-bike cowboy, and for today's video, I'm going to be putting the NTC Designs Sur Ron Ignition cover for my Sur Ron. So, let's get to it. Okay, so why I'm changing my ignition cover is because it actually broke on me, which, well, why else would you want to change your ignition cover? See, I don't know if you can see, but right here, the holes where the bolts go in cracked. I was experimenting, trying out different bags that I had laying around to put on top of here, and then I pushed the bag accidentally, and my key was in it, like pushed, and it like broke both the holes for the bolt holes. So I got the NTC Designs ones from their website. I'll leave a link down below. So I'm going to get the camera set up and I'm going to do my best to take it off and put it on myself. Now what you're going to need to do this is I'd recommend some needle nose pliers because some of the plugs are stubborn to get off. Obviously going to need the ignition cover. You're going to need your original bolts for the ignition cover, and I'd recommend getting a piece of black tape to cover the wires because there is both a positive and a negative, so you don't get mixed up which is which. Okay? I've already gotten started on this off camera, so here's like the USB. Here's the USB. For that, you want to unscrew this nut here, but you also want to unplug these. So I've unplugged negative one, and the blue one's more than likely the positive one. You could try to do it with your fingers, but a little too loose. I gotta tighten this up real quick so I can be able to pull it a little bit. Could try to pull it with, oh, I actually got it. Okay, so I want to cover up that with tape. I'm just gonna put a little tape on top of here, this black tape, so I know where the blue wire is going to go. Okay, so now we're just going to unscrew this little nut here, see that? And should, oh shoot, my tape came off. I'll just put it here on the wire itself. I think, does it need to go all the way off? Okay, so we took that off, and then we just pull the USB port out, okay? See it right here, it's out. Next thing we want to do is we want to pull the ignition key off. So, we're just going to pull this cable. This is a little tab it tabs into. So, let me try to get this off. How does this get off? How do you take it off? Okay, this is my first time doing this, but I watched some stuff online, so how does this come off? Give me a second. Okay, just got it off. Okay, MX Electric had to help me on that one. Okay, there's like a little tab on this piece, and to help kind of push it in, you can use like a little screwdriver. This is Phillips, but you could use a straight edge would probably be better to help like push it a bit. Okay, so got that. I'm gonna back it up. I think there's some tabs here somewhere that allow it to kind of push in. But right, I'm just gonna, this is hard for me to do it on camera. So let me be right back. Boom, it's off. There are these two little tabs on here that you have to push. I do not have enough strength in my fingers. I mean, look how skinny my fingers are, so MX Electric's helped me. Thank you again. He's currently doing some stuff on his Onyx right now. But this is gone. Now, let's get the good boy in. Okay, I got that in. That's not coming off. Okay, so let me just connect this to this wire. Okay, that's connected. So you can see, so let me get my USB in there. That works pretty good. So remember, you tape that spot. So I'm just gonna grab the blue wire, connect that to the. Does it go like that? Okay. I heard a ka-thunk, so should be good. Need this one in as well. This one's a little loose. Hold on. Hey, you gotta do it like this. This rubber piece is getting in the way of the wire. So. Well, you guys know, basically, I just gotta get this out of my way so you can figure it out. I think I've just come to the realization that this one might be just a little loose compared to the top one. Well, I think the best way to test it is I'm just gonna go grab my Sur Ron battery and see if this works. Okay. Battery's in, as you can see. Now, I just bolted the ignition cover onto here. Let's see what happens. As you can hear the motor. You can turn the key off and on, and it's working. She's working. And she looks really cool. She matches with the rest of my bike, which I like. And that was doing the ignition cover on a Sur Ron. Thanks you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys found it useful. I don't normally do this kind of stuff on my own, but I thought I'd give it a try. So that was the NTC Designs Sur Ron Ignition cover install. I'll leave a link for where you get this on my description box down below. If you found this video helpful, why not give it a thumbs up? If you've been enjoying my content so far, why not consider subscribing? If you have any Q&As or anything, leave them down in the comment section down below. And I think that's it. So, I'll see you next time, amigos.